In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can use conditional formatting to highlight and emphasize cells that are blank in Microsoft Excel. So here we have some data with some cells that are blank. Now we want to make sure that any blank cells are filled in with data and that any data page below that is blank is also filled with data. So to do this, we can highlight the range that we want to apply the conditional formatting to. Now we want to go to the Home tab, then Conditional Formatting, then New Roles. From here, we want to format only cells that contain not cell values, but blanks. And now we can go through and select how we want to format these blank cells. We just say we want them to be red because we want to not adjust the number format. We don't adjust the font. We don't adjust the border, but we can adjust the border if we want to. Just throw outline on there for fun. With dotted outline because why not? And the fill we want it to be red. And you can also adjust the pattern color if you want to, or pattern style if you so desire to do so. For this instance, I'm not going to do that, but click OK, then click OK. And now as you can see, we have some blank cells in our data, but it is extremely easy to recognize because with the conditional formatting, it shows up as red. Now, one of the great things about conditional formatting too versus find a select special is that we can apply the conditional formatting to a range that is greater than our data set. So let's just say we can go through and we can basically copy and paste the formatting to cells that are below. As you can see, because they're blank, they show up as the red dotted formatting. But this is helpful because as you fill in data, then these will not be blank anymore. That said, I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.